Anacondas, colossal serpents in South America's Amazon and Orinoco basins, are known for their size and power. The green anaconda is the heavyweight champion, weighing 550 pounds and reaching 29 feet in length. These predators have a voracious appetite, eating various animals and using constriction to subdue them. They have unique reproductive behaviors, giving birth to live young, producing litters of 20-40 offspring at a time. Anacondas are primarily reclusive, preferring to avoid confrontations. Their heat-sensing pits help them detect warm-blooded prey, and during breeding, they engage in a courtship ritual called the breeding ball. Despite their ecological significance, they face threats from habitat destruction and hunting for their skins. In indigenous South American folklore, anacondas hold a revered place as powerful and mystical creatures.